In this video, we're going to show you how to install the upper engine torque strut on your Toyota Camry, located on the passenger side of your engine. We're going to use our 14mm socket to loosen and remove the 14mm bolts, securing the torque strut in place. Now, it is not uncommon when you undo this bolt here and this separates from the torque strut that the engine might shift just a tiny bit. You have multiple motor mounts securing this here in place, so you don't have to worry too much about the engine going too far. Go ahead and slide that out and set that bolt aside. Go ahead and slide that out. You can see that ours is torn in multiple locations here. Let's go ahead and install our new component. Go ahead and take your engine torque strut and slide that into position. You're going to use your rubber mallet and go ahead and get that bolt hole lined up here and just have to wiggle that around. Go ahead and get that started a few threads. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my ratchet. Now I'm not going to tighten this down yet. I just want to make sure I get that bolt started in several threads. Now sometimes you'll just need a pry bar to go ahead and position the engine back a little bit to get that bolt started. Once you have that started a few threads, go ahead and grab that ratchet and go ahead and drive that in a little bit further. Now that we have both of these bolts started, let's go ahead and snug them down with our ratchet, and then we'll come on back and torque them down. Torque down your bolts to 47 foot-pounds. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.